See now, electrochemical cell. See, electrochemical cell is the cell which works on electrochemistry. If you have seen or if you have watched my part 1 of this electrochemistry chapter, you will understand more clearly what is this electrochemical cell. See now, what is this? Electrochemical cell is a cell which will convert the chemical energy liberated during the redox reaction to electrical energy, or which will use the electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous reaction. What is electrochemical cell? It is a cell which will convert chemical energy liberated during redox reaction. You know that what is redox reaction? Redox reaction is a reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place. From that redox reaction, whatever chemical energy is liberated, it will convert into electrical energy, or this which will use electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous reaction. Non-spontaneous means reaction which will not which needs some external energy to takes place. That external energy is here electrical energy. Don't confuse. See, this first part of this definition is called galvanic cell. See, in electrochemical cell there are two cells. First part of this definition is galvanic cell, and second part of this definition is electrolytic cell. So in electrochemical cell there are two cells. One is galvanic cell and one is electrolytic cell. See, galvanic cell is the cell which will convert the chemical energy liberated during redox reaction into electrical energy, that is galvanic cell. And electrolytic cell is, it will use electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous reaction. This is electrolytic cell. Combining these two definition, that is electrochemical cell. Now I think you understand this galvanic cell. What it will do, it will produce this electrical energy from chemical reaction. This galvanic cell, what this electrolytic cell will do, electrolytic cell will use the electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous reaction. The reaction needs some external energy. That reaction it will bring about, that external energy it will use is electrical energy. But here galvanic cell uses the chemical reaction. Which chemical reaction? Spontaneous chemical reaction. In spontaneous chemical reaction, free energy will be there. No, that energy will convert into electrical energy. See now in detail about what is this galvanic cell and electrolytic cell one by one to understand more clearly. See now galvanic cell.